In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Salesforce reports and dashboards. By the end, you'll know how to build a clean, insightful dashboard from existing reports, customize the visuals, and make it easy for your team to explore the data. A quick note before we start, dashboards visualize report results, so make sure you have at least one report ready and that it includes a grouping if you plan to use charts. Start by signing in to Salesforce and heading to your home page. Use the global search bar at the top and type dashboard. This is the fastest way to jump to the dashboards area, even if it's not pinned to your navigation. Select the dashboards option that appears to open the dashboard workspace. Now create a new dashboard, click new dashboard. You'll be prompted to enter a name and a short description. Choose a clear action-oriented name so people immediately know what they're looking at. Add a brief description to explain the purpose or the audience for the dashboard. Then select a folder to save it in. Pick a folder that aligns with who should see it, since folder choice controls sharing and access. When you're ready, click Create. You'll land in the dashboard builder. To add your first chart or table, click the plus component button. Choose a source report from the list. Remember, charts require a report with at least one grouping, such as by stage, owner, or close date. If a report isn't showing up, it may be private or it may not have a grouping yet. Select the report you want, and the builder will preview compatible visualizations. Configure how it looks. Select a chart type, like a bar chart for comparisons, a donut for parts of a whole, or a funnel for stage progression. Edit the component title so it's specific and readable. Adjust display units, abbreviations, or colors to make the story clearer. Repeat this process to add more components based on other reports. Arrange the layout by dragging components around the grid. Resize them to emphasize what matters most and keep related visuals close together. Consistent sizing and alignment help viewers scan quickly and understand the narrative. Add interactivity with filters by clicking the plus filter button. Choose fields such as region or date to let viewers refine the entire dashboard. Filters apply to all compatible components, so pick fields that are commonly used across your underlying reports. When everything looks right, click Save, then Done. Give the dashboard a quick review and you're all set. You've created a Salesforce dashboard that's clear, interactive, and ready to share.